To add a remove folder from backup folder list in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings. Select Update and Security, and then click or tap Backup. Please wait. Okay, select More Options. This is need a long time process. Please wait. This is long time to load file. Backup options. Okay, and then on backup this folder to add, tap add folder, and then select folder you want to backup for assemble documents, and then select just this file, choose this folder, just tap or click choose this folder, and then this is a load file. Okay, please wait. Now document was in list, a backup list, and if you want to remove, select folder you want to remove, for example 3D objects, and then select remove, and then this is processing to remove folder. Now 3D folder was removed from backup folder list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.